Apparently, he can finish the construction on his own. More than driving the bulldozer, he pilots it. A synchronized and flawless job. This is what happens when an engineer needs to cut firewood. Whoever came up with this definitely deserves a bonus. That doesn't look very safe, but he didn't doubt himself for a second. Who would have thought they were made for this? Excavators need help to work in tough places. But this model has been designed to tackle even the toughest jobs. All thanks to its high-tech chassis and special boom. This is a walking excavator that can work even on a steep hillside. One of the biggest annoyances for drivers on the road is construction work, as it slows down traffic. But in Switzerland, they've come up with an ingenious solution. This portable road bridge can be placed anywhere repairs are planned. While cars drive over it, workers can fix the road underneath. It's no surprise this machine is known as a road printer. In terms of paving speed, it's almost like printing.
Go. There he goes. Oh. Just like that. Down to 2 inches.
A good builder can work in any environment. These professionals came to this site to create an eco-friendly hotel in record time, built from special modules. It will soon become a haven for those who love to rest away from the city. Engineers use the principles of arc bridge construction to create reinforced concrete structures that can be used to build a bridge up to 15 meters long. In China, they know how to organize processes. Look how they install this metal profile.